Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review the Helickon Tex Cooking set. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, so we are about to review the Helickon Tex Cooking set, which is composed by these three pieces. The main thing about this, it's inox made, so it will not rust, and it weighs only 700 grams. So it weighs 160 grams for the plate, 210 grams for the small pot, and 310 grams for the big pot. It is very sturdy. You can have this on your hands. Please remember, this is if you are cooking in an open fire, please remember that this will become hot, and if you grab this you may get burned. And it doesn't have any locking mechanism in neither of the pots, so just be careful when doing this, because this will happen and you will lose all your food. So just be careful, handle with care. So as measures go, the plate has 15.5 centimeters in diameter and 3 centimeters deep, which can handle soup very well. The small pot has a diameter of 23 centimeters and a depth of 7.5 centimeters, and the big cooking pot has a diameter of 25 centimeters and a depth of 9 centimeters. So when you store all your cooking gear, will be a compact cooking set that you can carry. I also tend to carry things in here. For instance, my stove, my detergent, my cleaning stuff that will go in here. Some food will go in here. I tend to have another way of storing food, but I bring here always, do watch my other video, some food that in case of need, I know it is here. So to get this all propped up, you just fold the handle of the small cooking pot, you place it in here, okay, then you cover it up, and this lid will lock the whole system. So another thing, it's the size of this, it will become 10 centimeters high. Well, with this handle, 10.5 centimeters, I guess. And so, as I said, 700 grams, 3 cooking sets possible that you can always use for separating food, cooking different meals, and also so lightweight compared to other things in inox, that is very health friendly or not so harmful as aluminium. To get this lighter, or you can have it in titanium, of course, but I'll go with inox because it will clean very well. It will not grab all the black from your open fires, from your camping fire, and mainly I'm very happy with it. I will put a link below for you to check where you can buy it. Helickon Tex, I believe it's a Polish, from Poland, enterprise that is selling lots of stuff, bushcraft stuff, tactical stuff, and this is from their bushcraft line. What I want to say about also the Helicon Tex cooking set and other things you might see in my videos is that I only test things I have, and I don't get paid for reviewing them because I bought them, and then I use them, and then I review them. So with this, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and remember, spend more time in nature. See you until the next video. Bye.